mention, sir, kung saan, for the benefit ng mga listeners, saan talaga yung common areas in the mainland and in Boracay, sir?
Common poster areas.
Common poster areas.
Wait lang po. Bali, sa poblasyon po is Malay Public Plaza, from corner I Prado and G Aguirre Streets to corner I Prado and J Sacapaño Streets. Sa Argao po, in front of Argao Public Plaza along the National Highway.
Yes, sir.
Sa Balusbos, in front of Balusbos Public Plaza along the National Highway. Kabulihan, in front of Kabulihan Public Plaza along the Barangay Road. In Katiklan, in front of Katiklan Covered Court along De La Torre Street. In Barangay Cogon, in front of Cogon Public Plaza. In Cubay Norte, crossing National Highway and Fede Road of the Barangay Plaza. Cubay Sur, crossing National Road and Fede Road of Barangay Plaza. In Dumlog, in front of Dumlog Public Plaza. In Mutag, in front of Mutag Public Plaza. In Naasog, in front of Naasog Public Plaza. In Nabaoy, in front of Nabaoy Public Plaza. In Napaan, in front of Napaan Public Plaza. In Sambiray, crossing National Road and Fede Road of Barangay Plaza. Sa island po is in Manok-Manok, tatlo po, in front of Manok-Manok Public Plaza across the chapel. In front of Anggol Plaza, Anggol, Manok-Manok, Malay Aklan.
Yes, sir.
And the third po is in front of Malabunot Plaza, Malabunot, Manok-Manok, Malay Aklan. Sa Balabag naman po is in front of Balabag Public Plaza along Provincial Road. And the second po is in front of Diniwid Public Plaza, Diniwid, Balabag, Malay Aklan. Sa Barangay Yapak po is in front of Yapak Public Plaza along the Provincial Road. And lastly, in front of Hagdan Public Plaza. Yan po yung designated common posters area natin for the Malay Municipality po.
Ayun.
So,
and of course, the site is 2x3.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
matanong ko lang, di ba sir, yun nga, doon sila sa mga public plaza natin. Pero kung yung mga camping paraphernalias nila sir is nilagay nila sa mga puno doon, bawal pa rin po sir, kahit minensyon siya na common poster area. Bawal pa rin siya
po,
doon.
Bawal po. Dapat po magpapatayo po sila ng kanilang kakabitan ng tarpaulin. At ina-advise po namin na 1 tarpaulin per candidate lang po para ma-accommodate po natin yung lahat ng